All right, welcome back out to Fowler Park. Gerardo and I are out here with a Develop Air Mini. Let me show off what we have here. It's different than last time you saw this Develop Air Mini. We had a HereFlow optical flow sensor as well as a Terra Ranger 1. Now we have Holybro, H-O-L-Y-B-R-O, and their H-Flow sensor. So it's an optical flow and rangefinder all built into one sensor or one form factor, and we're gonna give it a shot for the first time ever this morning. All right, so we should just take off in loiter flight mode as we do typically, right?
Yeah.
Loiter flight mode.
Is this rangefinder set up, or that's part of what we're gonna do today?
No, that's all set up.
Okay.
It should be reporting back. I would like to see that, but
We don't have that information in iVue RoboControl.
No, we
Almost
do not.
like you wanted us to use Mission Planner, but I kind of insisted on keeping the iVue RoboControl app open. Now that is a super stable hover, so I think the rangefinder is working as far as keeping altitude.
it could be. Take it up a little higher and just let it float.
Let me know when you want to flip that switch and I'll do a little dance. Make a little.
Well, it said pre-arm rangefinder, no data. So
I find that kind of hard to believe with how.
no, I mean I think it should be sending information. No way for me to confirm unless we open
Mission
Planner.
Planner. If we want, we can. I mean,
Okay.
disconnect. Mission Planner. We'll be right back after this short, not
This
commercial
Adding
message.
the mission planner data shouldn't be too hard to add.
Yeah, Mohit, what the hell are you waiting on?
You just need me to tell you what. If you go to comms, I would check it, but it's fine.
I did have to check it because I definitely did not think that you had like fucked it up earlier, and I was like, what the fuck? It was all. I just didn't have the Develop Air Mini on.
There you go, folks. All right. Wait for that to load. Batteries should be good, right? Oh wow, that battery is not.
13.8. I mean, it's fine.
Not a whole lot of juice in that.
No, but I think we have another. Maybe, I don't know.
Problem with
Touchscreen
using
for the
touchscreen, yeah. Scroll down until you see rangefinder 1. It should be reporting because it would have gave you a lot of pre-arm warnings. Looked like it just jumped it, like it gave you one warning, but that could have been earlier when you turned it on. Keep going.
Rangefinder
It should be 1.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
getting values.
Yeah, so that'll go up to 3,000 centimeters. So go a little higher. I want to be like right at.
Whatever altitude we're at right now.
Yeah, that should be about good.
Flip the switch, flip the switch.
Let me go to messages before you do. And then I also reset the parameters, or like what it was previously getting as calibration values. So hopefully it gives us a fresh start. So go ahead and do it.
All right, forward, back, left, right, forward, back, left, right, forward, back, left, right, forward, back, left, left.
Okay, you're good.
And flip the switch?
No.
Oh,
you
I
can
just
turn
flipped
it
the
off.
switch.
Uh,
Flip it back again.
no, let's try it one more time. Go ahead.
All right.
These values are within the range, but I don't like 183 too much.
Yeah, I'm much more of a fan of 182 or 184 myself. None of
Okay.
those odd numbers.
You're good to stop.
All
Just
right.
leave it level for a second. So yeah, we got no better values that time.
Try it again.
No. Let's just see what happens and just be ready for it to run away.
All right, I switched it and it's holding.
Ah ha ha.
We did it.
Okay.
We did, definitely not all Gerardo, and then a little bit of Sarvish doing the 3D design for the mount.
Okay.
But
yeah, fly it around. How about and just check it out. Oh, that's not you, is it?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, okay.
I was just seeing.
Oh, your battery's also low, so don't forget that.
I'm surprised they can fly this quickly with it, because I remember the HereFlow. It was
We'll limit the speed, yeah.
a lot slower.
Which we probably want to do.
Okay, so that's not me providing input now. So it looks like,
I think you may have taken off a little too quickly.
yeah, I think there's just some inertia. Oh, the top cover is about to.
Okay. Yeah. Bring it down. It's also using that compass, so.
Yeah, that's probably factoring into the little bit less than standard flight characteristics, or deviation from standard flight characteristics.
Remember, try not to step under the rangefinder.
Yeah, I was about to do the hand catch and then I remembered that. For however much you can trust me, you'll have to believe me that this is definitely a non-standard developer mini as far as the top cover coming off as easily as it does. It looks like there's just a little bit more of a tolerance than what we typically allow, and some of the wiring management isn't the greatest on this, where like the battery eliminator circuit, one of the BECs, is pushing up against the top cover. I should have brought our red tape and could have probably at least temporarily fixed this like I did the boom arms. If you watched one of our videos out at the tennis courts, you would have seen that the back or rear boom arms were a little wobbly. Wobble baby, wobble baby. However, that's since been fixed with a little bit of a clever mechanical MacGyver sort of solution. Definitely not tape.
Okay. So that was a good test, I would say, overall from what we've seen. Now, if we want to start working toward eliminating the GPS and using that entirely as an independent system, I'll have to change the parameters on that.
And is that every time that you want to fly without GPS, you'll have to change parameters?
No. I mean, right now, you have the option GPS or optical flow. So if you like that setup, you can.
So could I go like one more setting, or that doesn't do anything on this dial?
No, I wouldn't do anything.
Okay. So it's just normal flight with the GPS.
Yeah.
And then
optical flow.
Optical flow.
Yeah.
And then ideally maybe third would be fusion.
Or people don't recommend it.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the drone is trying to pick the best one, and from what I've seen, people don't recommend fusing unless you're using like 2 GPSs or something like that. But
now, what if I take off in this mode? Do we think that should be fine?
Yeah, it should take off.
Let's try.
Motors armed. Motors disarmed.
Huh.
Flight mode.
Were you?
Oh, it's because we're below the minimum arming voltage.
Oh.
Let me see if I can.
It's in land flight mode. Would that be typical of the battery voltage?
Yeah, it would.
Oh, you need, I think, an EKF. It says needs a position estimate.
Okay, so let me go ahead, hit disconnect here. I want to verify if this works in the iVue RoboControl app. Just selecting COM port 3. Look how nice and easy that is. Set origin. Let's use the touchpad because the touch screen for moving these menus is not so great. So it looks like the EKF origin button is still not working after it once was when it was first implemented. So let's see if then, not QGroundControl, Mission Planner will allow us to set the EKF origin. Set home, set EKF origin. All right, let's try it. Need position estimate still. Need position estimate.
Oh, we have to disable probably a GPS pre-arm takeoff.
And we did that previously?
Yeah, because we did that for when it was just all optical flow.
Motors armed.
Okay, yeah, so this is with GPS enabled.
Yeah, I think you just, yeah, it's just for the pre-arm takeoff because the GPS is disabled.
All right, yeah, because I just switched it over into optical flow mode. Now,
If you want, I can quickly change it if you want to try it out and land it.
nice. I'm magnetic and not in the good kind. That's attracting, repelling.
Yeah, if you want, it's pretty easy to change.
Motors disarmed.
It's just under the safety fail-safes. This also didn't look like it was connected.
Oh yeah, we were not connected. What? There's no auto connection? What sort of software is that? We would never have our own software where there's no auto connection. Except we actually have a good reason where we have a limitation with the web browser. What excuse do you have, Michael Oborn and Mission Planner? No, I'm kidding. I don't want to be on your bad side.
Yeah, don't come
Don't bite the
after-
hand that feeds you, right?
Don't come after the Mission Planner, DDs, deities.
They're no gods. No. Damn near close.
Damn near close if you're in the drone world.
Which we're all going to be sooner than later. If I have my way with it. Which I will. Or die trying.
Forget where it is.
Full
on
parameter
this
list?
one. I mean, I kind of.
Or we could just go to QGroundControl, you know, where that's
Yeah, it makes it
more
easier.
intuitive.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was looking for.
where there's also auto connection available.
Fail safe. Well, I'll take another quick glance, and if not, people probably screaming at me on the screen.
Yeah, all, you know, half a dozen of you. All right, yeah, let's just go to QGroundControl. Ain't nobody got time to dick around in Mission Planner.
I may have not set up QGroundControl for this controller, so let's see if it'll auto connect.
I don't think it, yeah, it is set up to auto connect. And I think that has been changed.
You just have to go to serial ports and change it.
Now it's COM3.
Yep.
Yeah, auto connect. I was going to select a queue in the top left-hand corner, but once the connection finishes establishing, as indicated by the green line up top, it'll automatically open up the vehicle setup screen we're going to.
Battery at 90%.
That's not actually the case.
Yeah, I know.
It's at 14.8 volts, which
I thought we started with 13.
while I was in flight, it was 13 point whatever because of the voltage sag.
Oh, okay. I thought before takeoff, I thought I made a comment, but huh.
We're recharging.
Yeah, you have regenerative braking on that?
Yeah. You didn't know that? We're kidding. Do not sue us for false advertising.
So it should be down here.
GPS lock, yeah. Or GPS configuration.
Arming checks. Yeah, my GPS lock would be one.
Let me also go to
There's one. There's like a parameter. I
Arming
forget the
check.
exact one.
Is it-
You probably don't want to disable all of them though.
correct.
I don't know if it's GPS configuration or if it's
GPS lock.
yeah. I'm assuming lock. Could be both.
Let's try GPS lock.
Well, you're gonna be fine without it, so.
Communication lost.
Says vehicle reboot failed, but clearly rebooted.
Stabilize flight mode.
Stabilize flight mode.
See if I can
No
find it.
GPS. Loiter flight mode. GPS 3D fix lock.
All right. All right, give it a shot.
Need position estimate.
So, no,
Arm. Gyros inconsistent. Arm. Need position estimate.
You also might have to set the EKF
EKF
again.
again.
Estimate.
which I think I did see we can do in QGroundControl. Maybe not this version.
I think it's
Set
because
estimator
I think it's
origin.
because this one, the GPS is still source 1 EKF, so I don't know if it's looking for that.
Arm. Need position estimate.
All right.
Need position estimate.
Yeah, it looks like it. I don't know why it changed, but it just says GPS.
GPS.
So
But that's in QGroundControl or in
that
Mission
was
Planner.
yeah, but I think that's for PX4 because it looks different.
All right. GPS configuration. Let's try that as well.
And then set the EKF as well before you
I
take
did
off.
just set the EKF.
Okay. You may have to do it every time you reboot.
Okay.
Stabilize
I'll
flight
try
mode.
again, and then if that doesn't work, then set the EKF again.
GPS 3D fix lock.
Rear. Need position estimate.
Hmm.
Rear. Need position estimate. Arm. Need position estimate.
Huh. All right, so neither of those options. We'll need to go back and do some more investigating probably.
I think you need to switch where the H-Flow is source 1 and GPS is source 2.
Rear. Need position estimate.
That was definitely not what that was previously.
Oh, it turned itself back on.
What is it? I need to pull up our parameters. Docs. What, Jacob? You don't have all of the parameters
Position estimate.
just right in your head? Yeah, I was using third person, just like you like.
Good call outs from Brian.
Jacob likes to use third person to make Brian feel all sorts of warm and fuzzy inside.
Bad call outs from Jake.
Rear. Need position estimate.
Anyways, I think we should just circle back. Probably switch the sources.
Oh, and I just saw it, and 60, dun, 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 65,470. Advanced settings, manual entry, 65470.
You want to explain what that number means?
Rear. Need position.
Look at our parameters document. It's online. It's open source. Set arming checks to 65470. Disables the RC and parameter checks.
And that's important. Why?
So you can fly with either one of these controllers or without a controller or with a game controller, all kind of interchangeably without having to go set parameters to make it work. So you can fly without one of these, essentially.
Yeah, no, it's a little deceiving because he's using that controller, but that controller itself is communicating via Mavlink.
Yeah.
So it's not a typical RC connection.
Motors armed.
All right, and this is just in straight loiter mode using the GPS. Before we wrap it up here, since there were a few changes, of course, just reverted them back, at least theoretically speaking. Let's switch over into optical flow mode, and it's still holding position. All right.
So I think also when I switched to HereFlow as source 1, I think there's a parameter that natively slows that copter down.
Okay.
Because we never gave it the beans like you did
Yeah.
during initial.
Well, I gave it the
Calibration.
beans, it just didn't respond to the beans.
Oh, like last time?
Yeah, like when we had flown here at the park, I had like given it full throttle forward and it had
Oh,
limited.
yeah, but that's when
Yeah.
it was listed as source 1.
Okay, yeah. Easy. All right, yeah, it's definitely not
It's
quite as good as GPS, at least as the second priority, but
EKF variance. Motors disarmed.
all right. Oh, I should have landed it on the case. What a bitch. All right, thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you know where to leave them. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace.